Harley Davidson Iron 83 instrument cluster, switching on. Harley Davidson Iron comes with 883cc engine, which produce almost around 55 to 56 bhp. When you install a new exhaust, this is a Heinz exhaust, which is pretty much loud. It's come with a belt drive and 150 by 80 V16 tire, which is comes in a rear. This is pretty much a fun to ride bike, and there must be so many upgrades are there in this, which you can do that. This is a crash bar protector, and also I have installed a new DRLs and all, which I have already added the cinematics. You can look into the front view. This is 7-inch LED headlamp with the DRL with the minus light, and all the updates LED has been done. This is a new handlebar grip I have given. This actually it's in a parking, so I kept as a covered. And this new tank with the lacquering, you can see the house shining. This one is it as well. This new Harley Davidson, you can see amazing looking stickering has been done on this. Pretty much fun to ride. This is really good machine to ride initial for beginners, and it's good for highway rides. This is literally amazing. Yeah.